on here, this is probably the best one. So we have, all of this is ciliary body. Ciliary muscle would be this stuff right here. Ciliary process, so that's what actually connects the lens through the suspensory ligaments. So on here it would be these gray body things. That's the ciliary process. The little lines, these would be the suspensory ligaments.
The little black lines?
The little gray lines.
Oh.
So this part would be the process, this would be the suspensory ligaments.
Okay.
Then the lens would sit right here.
And then if this is the posterior chamber, is this all here, the anterior
Yeah,
chamber?
can you go over like the chambers and the cavities and stuff?
Alright. So everything behind the lens is the
Posterior cavity.
posterior cavity. Everything in front of the lens is the anterior cavity. So between the cornea and the iris, anterior chamber. Between the iris and the lens,
Posterior chamber.
posterior chamber.
So this would, oh sorry, anterior chamber, posterior chamber, so anterior chamber and then posterior chamber?
So this is kind of representing the posterior chamber.
Oh.
So iris, the lens would sit right here, so it would be this space.
So is there like a name for this?
This is where the lens would sit.
Right.
So no, it's not really a space.
But this is the posterior chamber?
Right.
Is there any model that shows like the durameter, the piometer,
There's not a model. We usually have a diagram on there, but you can also see the durameter on the MRIs.
Are
And
they
you can
shown?
see the falx cerebri on